Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can add animated visuals to your video designs with just a click. So first you wanna begin on your video artboard, and then on the left-hand side menu, you'll see all these different icons. All these different icons will give you access to different design tools as well as resources. And today, I wanna talk to you about this visuals icon. So go ahead and click this crown here, and then you'll see this menu pop up. Once this menu opens up, make sure you're under the Collections tab, and then you'll have the option for static visuals as well as animated visuals. Today we're going to be talking about animated, so go ahead and click this here. And here you'll see our different categories of animated visuals. You'll have shapes, you'll have progress bars, and audio visualizers. So you can search for a specific visual, or you can click and browse a certain category. I'm going to explore shapes, so I'm going to use this arrow here to view all of the different visual animated shapes. And now go ahead and select ones that you like that you think will go with your design. So once you click it, it's going to show up on your artboard like this, but this is because we're in a static view right now. But if I click play, you'll see that it's actually in motion. So I'm going to drag it to the place that I want on my artboard. I'm going to send it to the back so that the rest of my design continues to show through. And now you can see we have our timeline view. I'm going to drag my cursor all the way to the beginning and then use this play icon to play my design. And there you go. Simplified tries to make it as easy as possible for you to create engaging, eye-catching designs. And animated visual icons is a great way to do that. Remember that any changes you make to your artboard will save automatically. And if you want to undo any change, you can always use this undo button in the upper left-hand side. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's video design tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.